morning, students. Today we are going to see use of large numbers in daily life situation. So how are we going to relate it with our daily life? Okay, large numbers in the sense when you go to a shop, you will buy some groceries, so you will pay the amount what is told by the shopkeeper. So what they will do when you buy the groceries, they will write the rate of that groceries and then they will add everything and then they will tell you the total amount of it. So there we are using addition. If sometimes when they give you discount, automatically discount means you will subtract from the total amount. Okay, so in daily life you'll be using addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So all these four are called as four fundamental operations. So four fundamental operations. So four fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So using a large number, let's solve one problem. In a year, a wholesale paper firm sold 6,25,600 notebooks out of 7,50,000 notebooks. Find the number of notebooks left unsold. So totally in the store there were 7,50,000 notebooks. Out of that they were selling 6,25,600 notebooks. So what is the remaining notebooks which were there in the store unsold? So remaining means what you have to do with? Yes, we have to subtract it. Therefore, number of notebooks in the store. So how many notebooks were there? So write it legibly. So 7,50,000. Yes. Then number of notebooks sold, that is 6,25,000. So number of notebooks unsold. Unsold means what we have to do with, I said subtraction. Yes, so we have to subtract it. So minus. So 3 zeros we have. So 1, 2, 3. And 0 minus 5. So since we can't do it, we have to borrow from the previous numbers. So 5 will become as 4, 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 6, 1. Therefore, 1,25,000 notebooks were sold. This is using subtraction. Is it clear? So using that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we are going to use it in the order format. That is, we have certain order to solve the problem when all the four fundamental operations are involved. Okay, so that we can use it by BIDMAS rule. BIDMAS. Okay, so BIDMAS means first we have to check for the bracket values. So any bracket value is there, we have to check. And the next one is indices. Okay, indices. Indices is, so indices is writing it in the order, whether from ascending or from the descending. So that is called as the indices. Then D is division. That is divide or slash. Okay, then M is multiplication. Then A is addition. That is plus. And the last one is subtraction. So based on this concept, we have to solve the problem. So if a question is given, so first you have to check for the bracket value. And the next one, you have to go it in the order wise. That is, next you have to go with division. If there are no division, go for the multiplication. Then after that multiplication, go for the addition, and then finally move on to the subtraction. So this is how you have to solve the problem when all the 4 fundamental operations are involved. So let's see one problem here. So example 1.9, simplify 24 plus 2 into 8 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is the question given. So what is the BIDMAS rule here? So BIDMAS rule is, first we have to check for the bracket value. Is there any bracket value? No. So next one, we have to go it in the order wise. So what is the first order? We have division. So check whether any division is there in the question. Yes, we have 8 divided by 2. So start with that. So 24 plus 2 into 8 divided by 2. What is 8 divided by 2? 4. Then plus 1. So division we have finished. Then go for the multiplication. So here we have multiplication. So 24 plus 2 into 4, 8 plus 1. Now go for the addition. Next rule is addition. So since all the values are addition, straight away add with that. So 24 plus 8 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. So this is how you can solve the problem. Yes, have you understood what is BIDMAS theorem? Brackets of indices, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Thank you.